The brave sister. There was once a little boy who had a sister just about Evelyn's age, said Daddy. He was much disappointed that his sister didn't care more for long walks and boys' games, and that animals seemed to frighten her. He used to scold her about it, instead of helping her to get over her fear. One day, these two children were taking a walk. They went into the country, along a quiet road. They passed a little house, in which lived an old woman, who had a great many cats. She was very queer, and her cats seemed to be queer too. Anyway, it was said that they hated strangers. The little boy didn't believe this, and when his sister tried to hurry by, he laughed at her. "Oh, come and see this nice cat," he said, and he tried to pick the cat up. The cat objected to strangers, as all the people had said, and he started to scratch the little boy. With a cry, his sister rushed to him. She grabbed the back of the cat and got him off. Then she cried, "Shoo," to the cat, which made him go right home, for he didn't care about hurting the little boy. "I shall never make fun of you again, sister," he said. "You saved me by taking off that cat, of which you were afraid. I have not been at all a nice brother to you, and I don't deserve such a good sister, for it was love for me that made you forget about your fear. But you may be quite sure I will never make fun of you in the future, for really you are the brave one." For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.